How to find your Bank of America routing number. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can find your Bank of America routing number. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up the Bank of America application and make sure that you logged into your account. So once you're logged in, you will land on this kind of interface. So from your account type, you have to tap on your checking account. So tap on your checking account. After you tap on your checking account, you have to scroll all the way to the end to this interface or to this section that says account information. So there you have your two routing numbers. If you want to view your account number, tap on view next to account number, then you can view your account number as well. So in this interface, you will find your routing number. So that's it. That's how you can find your Bank of America routing number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.